Bennett's Rewards is the place for our customers to go, really to help them get more from motorcycling. To get discounts on kit, equipment, they can get access to unique and money can't buy experiences.
From new riders to inexperienced riders, across the board, what we're trying to do is create a sense of community and something for everyone.
As a Bennett's customer, you get free access to Bennett's Rewards as part of your policy, and you can access that through My Account, or you can register, and that only takes about 2 minutes to go through that whole registration process.
Hosting track days this year at MS3 venues. You have instructors on circuit to look after you, 2 classroom sessions, so you'll learn stuff throughout the day.
We've got over 100 rewards now on the site, something for all riders. So if you're a commuter rider, tourer, sports rider, new to motorcycling.
New for this year as well is Bennett's Rider Confidence Days. They're basic training skills, off-track training events.
Also the place to go to get free information, free legal advice, hints and tips about riding.
Exclusive discounts, money can't buy experiences, incredible competitions. But if you're not insured with Bennett's, you can also get access to Bennett's Rewards by taking out a yearly subscription. There's something for everyone on Bennett's Rewards.